Hi there folks. In this video we're going to cover how to edit an existing page. This assumes you know about layouts and the basics of editing elements, but it's a quick refresher to get you started if you just need to make some quick text edits. So here's an existing page. It's my example page and there's some links in it, but it's mostly text, not a whole lot of fanciness going on. Whenever you're on a page to edit, you need to hover over these gears or arrows in order to make sure you understand what you're going to be changing. If you click on something, you should be able to do edit data to change its contents. If you click on a box and there is no edit data, you probably clicked on the wrong box. So we have a basic text block, the workhorse of our entire web page. Click on that and click edit data. Here you'll have a simple editor where you can then edit text and make the changes that you need to your page. Whenever you hit save, please be patient. Let this modal reload, and you may sometimes get timeouts where the page goes completely white or it doesn't reload. Don't panic, and before you hit the refresh button up top, simply click view, work on this page, and go to all changes preferably. Now once the page reloads, you can try to edit again. If the page continues to freeze, please reach out to me, Cole, at ramplem@american.edu, and we can place in a help desk ticket to make sure the page gets fixed. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, remember, you can always email me at ramplem@american.edu.